Cubital fossa. This is the layout of our presentation. First of all, some MCQs. A 7 years old boy presented to OPD with complaints of fall on shoulder. The boy had extreme pain on mobilizing the shoulder. The doctor wants to check the integrity of deltoid muscle. Which movement of the arm will the doctor ask the patient to perform? Abduction, adduction, circumduction, extension, flexion. So what is your answer? Another MCQ. A 12 years old boy presented to OPD with complaints of blow on front of the chest during a street fight. On examination, there was swinging of scapula. Which nerve is likely damaged? Axillary nerve, dorsal scapular nerve, long thoracic nerve, median nerve, suprascapular nerve. This is very easy बेटा. इन दोनों MCQs के answers जो हैं I'll give in comments. So coming to the cubital fossa. It is a triangular area on anterior side of the elbow. It is also called antecubital fossa because it lies anterior to the elbow when in anatomical position. So cubital fossa is a triangular depression that lies in front of the elbow. इस diagram में you can see the area highlighted in yellow is the cubital fossa. Coming to the boundaries of the cubital fossa, let's discuss the boundaries. The medial border is formed by the lateral border of pronator teres muscle. The lateral border is formed by the medial border of brachioradialis muscle. Apex is directed downwards and forwards. It is formed where lateral and medial borders meet. So, medial border is formed by lateral border of pronator teres muscle. Lateral border is formed by medial border of brachioradialis muscle, and superior border is formed by an imaginary line between the two epicondyles. This is how the cubital fossa triangle is completed. Base is directed upwards. It is formed by an imaginary line drawn between two epicondyles of humerus. The floor is formed by brachialis and supinator muscle. So here you can see the supinator muscle. Boundaries. The roof is formed by skin, superficial fascia, median cubital vein, lateral and medial cutaneous nerves of forearm, deep fascia which is reinforced by the bicipital aponeurosis. This is the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm and the medial cubital vein. The contents of cubital fossa include median nerve, brachial artery. Beta cubital fossa is the place जहाँ पर brachial artery divides into the radial and ulnar artery, biceps brachii tendon, and radial nerve deep branch. So these are the four contents: median nerve, brachial artery, where it divides into the ulnar and radial artery. Then is the tendon of biceps brachii and the deep branch of radial nerve. The mnemonic to remember the contents of cubital fossa is my brother buys bracket, MBBR, median nerve, brachial artery, biceps brachii tendon and radial nerve. Locating the brachial artery. आप प्लेस करेंगे अपनी दो फिंगर्स ओवर द बेंड इन द एल्बो, द antecubital fossa या cubital fossa, and feel for a pulse under your fingers. This is where you'll place the diaphragm of the stethoscope जब हम blood pressure ले रहे होते हैं. Clinical correlate. Brachial pulse and blood pressure. The brachial pulse palpation and measuring blood pressure can be done immediately medial to the biceps tendon in the cubital fossa. The steth must be placed there to hear the Kortokov sounds. Venipuncture. Median cubital vein is located superficially within the roof of the cubital fossa. It connects the basalic and cephalic veins and can be assessed easily. This makes it a common site for venipuncture. मोस्टली हमारा ब्लड जो है वो मीडियन क्यूबिटल वेन से ही लिया जाता है इन दी क्यूबिटल फोसा. थैंक यू.